It's Sunday, and I'm a high-performing loan officer. You know what that means. Let the relaxation begin.
Let the hustle begin. Woo, yeah!
Why can I relax? It's because my current sales and marketing platform is 100% perfection.
What? You said the appraiser didn't show up? Do you remember which appraiser you were working with? No, of course. I have his name right here. Her name. Right, her name. This is Mommy, and this is you. And when the home buyer calls for an update on the appraisal while Mommy's in the shower, you call my LOA to get a status update on the appraisal and then email the home buyer an update. You got it. It's not a game, okay?
With all the free time my CRM gives me, my life is just about perfect. Wait. No. Don't go. Come back. Nope. You can see, right? Let's get real. My CRM is 100% buggy, clunky, disconnected, and destroying my soul. Let me stop you right there. Don't try to sell a saleswoman. You have 15 seconds. That is pretty awesome. Let me stop you right there. I'm in.